What are you doing, Nature? You're trying to play? You want to play with Mommy?
Hey guys, welcome back to E! News.
Okay.
As the century rapidly approaches,
I'm gonna get you.
designing Kate Middleton's
I'm gonna
dress.
get you.
I can just picture the big
You wanna play with Mommy? Huh? I'm gonna rough you up.
shoving a prenup in their faces. Is that what's going on?
Ah.
Has the latest details.
Now I'm gonna get you. Now I'm gonna get you. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Thank you.
Will they sign some sort of agreement?
Get up.
Probably yes.
I'm gonna get your Tommy. I'm gonna get your Tommy. I'm gonna get your Tommy. How do you play with your Yorkie? Huh? How do you play with your Yorkie?
They'll have a residence sorted out.
Gonna get you.
A large sum of money, some maintenance.
Gonna get you. You pull Mommy's hair down.
If Kate and William were to break up, it would be clear that she would not speak without William's permission.
You be nice.
Those kind of matters.
You be nice. Love, love. Love, love.
So that's unlike
Give Mommy a kiss. Give Mommy a kiss. Give Mommy a kiss. You're a mess.